Hey, what's up everybody, it's Royston Pedal Mel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's quick little video is going to be checking out one of his MiJo. I don't know how you say that. MiJo? I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. All this stuff's made in China, so I have no idea how to pronounce half of this stuff. But it's the series called American Diorama. As I lose my voice, I apologize. I'm getting a nasty cold. These are 1/64 scale metal figures, and it's called Race Day is the set, and we will check it out. I did pre-slit this, but I haven't messed around with them or anything, but we'll get right into opening them up and playing with them. There they show it on the back with a GT40. I thought it looked pretty cool. Here it says distributed by M&J Toys. I got it off eBay. I don't remember who the seller was. It might have been M&J Toys. I'm not sure, but MiJo, I don't know how you say that. MiJo, doesn't really matter at this point. I could care less. I'm sure somebody out there, I know a certain person will be correcting me on the pronunciation, who used to chime in on every video and correct me on how I pronounce things. But let's get checking this out. If I can get it open. Slide that out. They give you the, I didn't understand, I thought these were supposed to be meatballs, these for like your car, these white circle decals. I thought they were for, you know, that's just what I was thinking, they were for the cars or something, but it says they're double face tape for making this so the figures can stand up. I don't know. We're gonna see here. Now I have a Sparky. Let's zoom up here. Sparky 917 that we can use as a prop while we check this out. Man, these things are really cool. So there's the driver. I apologize, it's not focusing very well, but what I like is helmet's even dark blue. It kind of reminds me of the Steve McQueen in Le Mans. Like he had the dark blue helmet like that with the black visor. Pretty cool. I guess I should show this dude here. He's wiping or doing something there. I'll tell you what, these are pretty cool for the set. This guy's crouching. Oh. I guess this is supposed to be fuel. That he has like a little fuel can. It almost looks a little 1950-ish looking there, but could be oil actually. We'll put that in there. And we have some photographer. We have a photographer and a videographer. I guess it'd be, the guy has a old style movie camera. The other guy, this guy has the like a 35mm camera, which I suspect he's not going to stay standing. Yep, maybe that's why you have the dots. But I don't know how you use them. The dots doesn't look like. I don't know. The dots don't make any sense to me. It seems like they're not double-sided. That is a really old school camera he has. I thought it was supposed to be a movie camera. It looks like it's supposed to be like an old, really old camera. So this set actually might be work a little better for the early 60s, I guess. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get this other guy to stay standing. This dude here. Maybe we could put him at the back. and put him at the back of the car there like that. I tell you what, though, these figures are really freaking cool for what I paid for them. I think it was like $10 for this set with free shipping. $12 maybe. It wasn't that much. I don't even want to spin my turntable around because I know these dudes will all fall down and roll around on the ground, and it'll be a big disaster. And how cool was that? It's kind of like a little still life. Very cool. I just wanted to show those to you guys quick. These are for my personal collection. It has nothing to do with anything really, but I saw them online. There's some other ones. I think there's girls washing a car or something like that. The one set I think that they have looks nice too. But like I said, it's definitely a pretty cool set. So yeah, it'd probably work well with the GT40 or any of the late 50s, early 60s. But how cool is that? I'm so afraid to turn the turntable on. I'd like to, but I know they're all gonna topple over the driver and whatnot. But that is just cool. I love it. I love the set. And Porsche actually, back in the day, I believe their mechanics did wear brown jumpsuits like that back in the day. Like, really cool. Alrighty. So thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, give me thumbs up or whatever, like or whatever you call it. I don't know what the kids call it nowadays. If you're not a member, subscriber, I'm getting tired. Be sure to subscribe. It's free. You can't be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time. You guys have a good day. All right. Bye now.